Hi guys, I am so incredibly excited to tell you about what's going on this month on the planet Earth. There are so many changes. We are experiencing different energies in connection with the linear time, how the timelines are modifying the perception of everyone involved within it, and how our perception is changing connected to it. So if you've noticed that some things have not been quite the same and something you have thought you've already done but you haven't, or you are having deja vu as if it already happened but it did not, and you're remembering the future, there is a lot of that's been going on because of these incredible changes that are going on the planet right now. There's also a different sort of changing perception of the spherical time. Spherical time is the simultaneous time, and we are arriving at the place where in the higher 3D Earth, this spherical simultaneous time perception is possible. It is not quite as possible in a lower 3D. It is more difficult. Most people are within the linear time perception. But as we move into the higher 3D, that spherical perception, which is actually how the rest of the universe experiences time, it's becoming more available to us here on Earth within the third dimension itself, which is incredible. So there is a change going on in relationship with authentic self-presentation, how we show up, what that means to really be who we are, and how we perceive reality through the lens of this different perception. So this also opens up possibilities. Everything that before has been locked away, because in order to experience something, we actually have to envision it first, which is not necessarily visual, but to experience it as a possibility within our system, which is connected to timeline perception and the spherical time perception. That is another component of the current change. And inside Transcension Gate membership, this is what we will be exploring this month. This energy perception of spherical time and how this opens up possibilities. We will be looking at very direct ways of what could be done in specific meditations in amplifying that access. Transcension Gate is a multi-dimensional portal for multi-dimensional beings, like Kadishtu guardians, like the ones in the solar console, like your personal guides, like the souls that we all are, so that they can come in and support you on your transcension journey. And this is how we co-create this portal together, so that all the souls involved are actually bringing in the unique aspect of who they are and resonating it into this Transcension Gate. So within this particular month, I'm also going to be talking inside the membership about Ameli. Ameli are multidimensional beings that almost never interface with the third dimension. So this is extremely rare opportunity, because recently they actually have arrived here into the solar system. And I talk of particular techniques as to how you can connect to them. I teach you how this resonance can be experienced and what can be gained by interfacing with them. Ameli are the masters of time. They work with timelines. They understand how to construct and reconstruct and deconstruct time. So this is incredible Transcension bundle that will be within Transcension Gate membership this month. So check it out. I know you will enjoy it, and I am so glad to support you on your spiritual journey.